Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on profile view on TikTok. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile to open the TikTok setting. And here we can click on the three lines on the top right corner. And then we're gonna open the TikTok settings and privacy. Alright, and here we're going to click on privacy and we can scroll down until we find the profile views. And here we can activate the profile views feature, and you just need to click on this toggle button to activate it like this. Alright, and now my profile view history has been activated, and right after we activate this feature, we'll be able to see who viewed our profile on TikTok. So I'm going to go back, and if we want to see our profile views history, we can click on this icon, and here you will be able to see your profile views or the account who viewed your profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate or turn on profile views on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.